Class, our today's new topic is speed, time and distance. For that class, you have to remember one formula: speed is equal to distance upon time, and then you can easily find time and distance. If you put time here, then it's distance upon speed, and if we want to calculate distance, then this time is multiplied by speed. So this is the basic formula for speed, distance and time. Now class, one more thing which is important: how to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second. Class, we all know we can measure the speed in kilometer per hour and meter per second. Sometimes in numericals they give you the question based on kilometer hour and ask you your answer should be in meter per second. So how you convert? If you want to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second, then multiply your kilometer per hour digit by 5/18. This is the example. 36 kilometer per hour convert into meter per second. So for that we have to multiply this 36 by 5/18 and we get 10 meter per second. Same, convert meter per second into kilometer per hour. For that we have to multiply the digit by 18/5. So how we convert 15 meter per second into kilometer per hour? We multiply 15 by 18/5 and then we can get our answer in kilometer per hour. Class, our next topic is trains. So class, for train there are two conditions. First I will explain you the condition 1. When train passing a stationary object. Stationary object means class which is standing, which is not moving at all, like maybe any pole, any signal post, or maybe in platform any man which is standing there. For that class I give you an example. Suppose this is pole which is in the platform. Class, understand, pole is standing like this. Class, this is your pole and this is your platform. So class, what do you think? What is the length of this pole? Understand class, I am not talking about this length, I am talking about this, because pole is standing like this. So this is very small length class. Suppose it's maybe 50 centimeter or maybe 30 centimeters. So I just take it as a 50 centimeter. And if I am talking about train class, suppose this pen is my train. Suppose the length of the train is 50 meter. The length of the pole is L1, that is 50 centimeter. So remember class, when train pass any kind of object, then at that time your length is always L plus L1. Understand? So your total length is 50 meter plus 50 centimeter. So class, compare this 50 meter with 50 centimeter. We can neglect this length. We can neglect this length. So we can say train cross the total length 50 meter when it pass through this pole. Understand class? So when train pass through this pole, at that time it only covers 50 meter. You can see class, this is your entry point. So I just make the entry point and this is your end point. So this is your starting point. Understand, this is your starting point and train cross it class. This is your starting point and your train is here. And now class, only at last train covers 50 centimeter here. This is the point and this is the end point. So train only covers 50 centimeter here class. So you can see 50 meter plus 50 centimeter is the total distance covered by train, which is actually its own length. So this is how you solve this. And if I am talking about condition 2, when train crosses bridge, tunnel or platform, at that time what will happen? Again at that time class, we can sum the length of the train plus object, the length of the train plus length of that bridge or tunnel or the platform. We can add them. It means again we can add L plus L1. But in this time class, you can see, suppose I am talking about this bridge. This is the bridge class and length of this bridge is 30 meter. And when train cross through this bridge, this is your starting point of the bridge and the length of the train again is 50 meter. So class, in this time again your train enter in this first point, and class, when it is the end point of the train is in this time here, now it covers class here 30 meter, because from here to here 30 meter distance is here, so train covers 30 meter distance when it cross the bridge. So it means total length covered by train is 50 meter plus 30 meter, or we can say L plus L1, we all know. So it means train covers the distance 80 meter. Remember L plus L1, the length of the train and the length of the object. If it is very smaller, then neglect it. If it is larger one, then add them and you will get your answer.